Do you know what the common symptoms of obesity are? Many people are ignoring them, but they affect daily life. Symptoms of obesity in men: excessive sweating, double chin, excessive fats in abdomen and waist, breathlessness, feeling tiredness and physical activity. In female also you will find the same similarities of obesity. It's time to identify yourself and work on your body. If you are facing any of these, don't worry. You are not alone, and the best news is you can reverse it with the right guidance in life, with food and exercise. I'm here to help you to take a first step towards healthy active lifestyle. DM me today and let's start your first step towards healthy active lifestyle.